Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Unice Hair period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this wig from Unice Hair. They sent me over their 13x4 lace frontal wig. I'm gonna leave all the specs of this hair down in the description box down below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time you go post a brand new video. It is greatly appreciated. And yeah, y'all, let's get right into it. Okay y'all, so this is how the hair came packaged: the wig, a head wrap, a scarf, and also my favorite part, which was this pink silk robe, y'all. Another scarf, lashes. I don't know why this is going so fast, y'all. Bonnet and a makeup brush. But this wig, y'all, look at the curls on this wig. Like, I'm definitely gonna reinstall this wig after I take this bun out, because this curl is too pretty to be worn up in a bun, y'all. But they sent me a transparent brown lace to match a girl's skin. It blended out so perfectly. And y'all, I had already did my ball cap method, my 3 layers of glue and all that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this wig down, press it down a little bit, and I'm gonna cut the ear tabs off, and then I'm gonna come back. So y'all, I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera because that's the hardest part for me. Like, I really struggle with my baby hairs, y'all. Like, if y'all can tell from my other hair videos, like, I have different baby hairs in almost all my videos because I just don't know which one like suits me best. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with some mousse right here, and then I'm gonna basically like mold the hair down to the shape I'm going for. And then I'm gonna cut that black wrapping paper off, y'all, and then I'm gonna put it up in a bun. Like, I didn't know if I wanted to leave it like fluffed out or if I actually wanted a messy bun. But as soon as I was recording this, I seen a girl, I forgot her name, but she's Haitian. She's one upcoming YouTuber like me also, and I seen her had a bun, and I really liked it, so I just went ahead and stick with the bun. Also, I'm gonna leave her name on the screen if y'all want to go check her out also. But yeah, y'all. Okay y'all, so y'all see me taking this black paper off, and y'all can already tell like these baby hairs came out so freaking good, you guys. Like, I did the gel and the mousse method and I really liked it, so I don't know if I'm gonna stick to this method or not. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and take out 2 little pieces in the front of my hair. And also, when I finish this ponytail, y'all, it was like sitting in the back of my head, but afterwards I didn't really like how it was sitting like behind there. I wanted to like sit on top of my head, so I did go in off camera and readjust it. I hope y'all don't mind, but it was like basically the same thing. I moussed it upwards instead of backwards, and that's how I got the like look that I was going for, y'all. But yeah, this is when I was like putting it like in a bun. It's in the back, but I'm gonna go in, like I said, and readjust it, like put it in the top. But y'all, piece of my lace was also lifting up. Don't worry about that, because I'm gonna go in with some more glue and glue the sides down so it's a hold. But yeah, this is the part I was telling y'all. I didn't know if I wanted to leave it like this or not, but yeah, we're gonna go in and fix that real quick. y'all, so this is the part I was telling y'all about, how it was like sitting in the back of my head, and I wasn't really feeling it like this, but I'm just doing 360 to show y'all how it looked. You know, my back edges was kind of showing, but never mind that, because I did go in with bobby pin and fix it. But I did go ahead and readjust the bun to the top of my head. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of how that wig is looking, y'all. I absolutely loved it so much, you guys, and I love how I did my baby hairs this specific time around. It's super cute and super girly. You know, y'all know how I feel about curly hair, and curly hair in a bun is just top tier, 10 out of 10, must recommend. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.